Sigma 56mm f1.4. First impressions, I just bought this lens 2 days ago. I've used this lens in street photography by night, and let's see my findings. Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Tudor Matescu and I like to talk about photography gear, photography tips and tricks. And if you are in content like this, please subscribe now to my channel because I'll post more content like this. I've just bought Sigma 56mm f1.4 for Fujifilm X mount. Why? Because I had Viltrox 56mm f1.4 and I also have Sigma 30mm f1.4. So why I bought this lens? Well, because I am loving Sigma 30mm f1.4 a lot. I'm loving this lens a lot. It's a very good performer. Good AF, good image quality, good rendering, acceptably sharp at f1.4, nice bokeh rendering, nice subject rendering, and so on and so on. Good minimum to focus distance. So Sigma made a good impression to me, a very good impression, even if this Sigma doesn't have the aperture ring. Next, I have here Viltrox 56mm f1.4, and I've made several reviews regarding this Viltrox. And I love the rendering of this Viltrox, but it's big and it's heavy compared to the new Sigma. And I will get to this size and weight factor because these factors are very important. Even if I like the performance of this lens at f1.4, it's not very sharp, it's okay. But this is better, much better. So, Viltrox, it's chunkier, it's focusing not so fast as Sigma, and also at f1.4 you don't have that sharpness. But yes, the vintage rendering, it's with this lens. Totally agree with that. And I've said, why not try Sigma? Because the new 56mm f1.2 from Fujifilm, weather resistant, it is very expensive, it is big. This is the main problem, it is big. And this is, look how small it is. So this is what I want to get. In all the reviews that I saw, I wasn't able to click and to understand that the Sigma 56mm f1.4 lens, it is smaller. It is smaller than the 30mm f1.4 lens. So this is a huge deal here. This is smaller than the 30mm f1.4 and also than the 56mm f1.4 from Viltrox. So a very small lens. And when I put it on my X-E4, I was wow, I can't believe I have here such a small package. And the next thing that amazed me, it's the AF. It was dark outside, it was night, and the AF performed in AFC but also in AFS. So very good focusing, very fast. It's not hunting like the Viltrox and it's not slow. Very good autofocusing system. Also very good image quality. When I saw the pictures, straight from the camera pictures at f1.4, I was amazed. And I published my recipe LCNEG because you are seeing pictures with the LCNEG recipe that I was able to use on my Fujifilm X-E4 and also on my Fujifilm X-PRO3. So the lens performed amazing on X-E4 but also on X-PRO3. And more than that, this lens being small is staying very well on my Fujifilm X-PRO3. You can see now here Sigma and Viltrox mounted on my Fujifilm X-PRO3 and on my Fujifilm X-E4. So the lens is staying very well also on X-E4 and also on X-PRO3. But one more important thing is the fact that this lens is not blocking the viewfinder. So you don't have optical blockage with this lens. You don't have this. With Viltrox I had a little optical blockage but with this lens I don't. So I really love to use this lens with my Fujifilm X-PRO3. And now let me share with you my findings regarding image quality. Well, I really love how this lens it is rendering. It is sharp, deadly sharp, straight from the camera Jpegs with X-PRO3 and also X-E4. So excellent Jpegs, excellent sharpness from f1.4. I will do a proper review when I will use this lens at different apertures. But again, we know if a lens is not sharp at f1.4, you don't buy a lens to not be sharp at f1.4 when you are buying an f1.4 lens. So very sharp, very good performance at f1.4. Also, the minimum to focus distance, it is as the new 56mm f1.2 lens. It is 50 centimeters. So this is huge. This means I can do close-up shots, close-up portraits, and this lens it's performing in all the distance conditions that I'm able to find myself with a lens like this. Also, this lens has some weather sealing because it's having a rubber gasket on the lens mount. So if I'm mounting this lens on my Fujifilm weather seal camera, I have a weather sealed package here. Yes, Sigma doesn't say this lens it's fully weather sealed like on Sigma 30mm f1.4, but you have the rubber gasket here. So this means that you have some weather sealing, so you don't have problems if the rain will catch you. Also, the focusing ring, it is feeling very well in the hand, very well in the hand. It is metal build. It is that black matte, that the Sigma used on the 30mm f1.4 also. And it's light, it's a light lens, it's a light and small lens. So I really love the results that I've got with this lens for night street photography. So for who is this lens? This lens I feel it's for someone who is wanting to keep the Fujifilm system small. Yes, it doesn't have an aperture ring, but it's small and it's light and it's focusing very close, 50 centimeters. So like the new lens, it is sharp at f1.4. So I think this lens is for someone who is wanting the new 56mm f1.2 weather resistant lens, but doesn't have that budget, but also it's wanting to keep the size small. The rendering for the moment from this lens, it is crazy good. I really love the results. I will use it more and I'll do, how I said, a proper review, but for the moment I feel that this is the best lens that money can buy, being budget aware in your Fujifilm system. So yes, I feel this lens it's right in the middle between Viltrox and the new or the old 56mm f1.2 Fujifilm lens. It's right in the middle. It is the smallest, as I am able to see here. It is the smallest lens. It's having the 50 centimeter minimum to focus distance. This has 60 centimeters. It is focusing fast and it's not hunting. This lens it's hunting, is not focusing fast, and in low light you will have some problems. It's a usable lens. I like the rendering a lot, but I feel Sigma is better for my needs. But the rendering, it's a little modern rendering, not like the Viltrox, but also it's not like Fujifilm rendering. It's something between. I like it. Personally, I like it a lot. I like how Sigma is rendering images a lot. So if you want a street photography lens or a portrait photography lens that will not break the budget and it will not frustrate you because of the AF, and also because you want good image quality and you want a very sharp at f1.4 lens, then Sigma 56mm f1.4 it's for you. I'm very glad that I bought this lens and I truly recommend it if you are having a Fujifilm camera. You will get used if you don't have that aperture ring. It really depends what you want. You want a sharp f1.4 small lens, or if you want a very bulky lens with not such a good AF, or a smaller lens but heavier lens with a declicked aperture. So I think Sigma 56mm, it's the best compromise for me at least. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe now to my channel, because I'll post more content like this about photography tips and tricks and photography gear. Also, please check my affiliate links if you want to get something for you and support my channel. Also, please share my video, like my video, and leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching this, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.